Hello, it's Melina here. Today I share this hanger made with stamps and other products from Creative Muse Designs. I start by applying the smooth texture paste, and I'm using a big brush so it leaves quite big marks in the MDF surface. Here you can see the marks, and of course I want it to look like thrift wood. For the next step I use the satin acrylic paint in white, black and dark chocolate to create a kind of weathered old look at the surface, as you can see here. I color in some thread using the pearl acrylic paint in turquoise and mid green, and I used the dark chocolate to colorize some cheesecloth. After that I stamp images from the sailboats, sea turtle, seagull bay and mermaid world stamp sets, and I color them in using alcohol markers and cut them out. For the next step I arrange the images and the thread and the cheesecloth on my MDF surface. I also add some hemp twine, some Prima art stone and mini art stones, and here you can see the finished result. I hope you enjoyed today's little step-by-step video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you soon again. Bye bye!